Red ovenbirds of South America are artistic sculptors of mud and clay. This pair, eager to start a family, restores the ruins of an old dome nest. Even though the elements will continue to batter it, the nest will provide a dry and safe environment for the old and the young. The neighbours can only stare with envy. Look, but don't touch. The ovenbirds have to defend their home from invaders. Finally, they've finished months of hard work. The sun does the rest, hardening this durable structure of mud and grass. When the new generation of red ovenbirds hatches, they'll learn a solid trade from their parents.